is 9 o'clock, and I'm on my way to some more of my line sister's graduation. It is Tia's graduation, and it is Royale's graduation, and I'm really excited for them. I'm tired. I woke up at 6 to do their makeup. I did their makeup, and I did one of my friends from high school Trip's makeup. I didn't get to do like full eyeshadow and all that good stuff on her because like it was getting late and I didn't want her to miss her own damn ceremony. So I didn't do her whole face. I just highlighted her face and gave her some eyebrows. Shout out to you, Trip. But yeah, I'm on my way now. Just turned 9 o'clock. That's when the ceremony starts. So I should be there in about 15 minutes.
DJ Black Haze.
Going to the club.
She like that.
Got it.
How you been on that?
This is chocolate card except for Maddie.
Except for Maddie?
Except for Maddie. You are.
You join me? Yeah. I don't want to cry. I feel like I'm going to cry. Stop.
She almost cried because she was yelling at me. I was yelling at her videos, bitch. What? No.
It was so turned last night. It's literally like 3:30 in the afternoon. But who wants to move? So I'm laying in bed and my sister keeps calling me downstairs for something. And she says it's something important, so we're going to check to see if it's true or not. Watch how it's not going to even be anything serious.
That was good. Yeah, he's a fat. He's fat. He's fat? Yeah. Hey, fool. Come on. Oh, wait right here.
What am I doing?
Wait right here.
Hey, Mom. It better be something serious soon. Because I didn't come down all the way downstairs for no damn reason.
She buy you a Lexus.
She not buy me no Lexus.
A Lexus. Lexus.
Where are we going?
Come on, we gotta go to the thing.
What thing?
The Bath and Body Works.
We're not gonna go without my mama.
No, come on.
Why my mom can't go?
Mom, you wanna come?
Where?
Bath and Body Works.
I'm gonna go for my jump.
See, she can't.
But she wants to go.
But she can't.
No.
Asking you. She's not the one. She is not the one. You leave my sister alone.
But I did.
What cares? You on FaceTime?
No.
What you doing? Snapchat?
Yeah. Yesterday, my sister took me to go see puppies. They were so cute. I wish we could take one home, but they were $1,800 for a full-bred Yorkie. So cute. Vlog, but I was just shocked and surprised that I didn't even think to like take out my camera because she blindfolded me and took me there. But I think, yeah, I really want a puppy. I cut this out. So me and Amy, where are we going?
We're going to thing. I'm sorry.
Oh, you guys see me. Okay, we're gonna go to Ross because Amy has to go find a dress.
Yes. So we're all gonna go to Ross.
Yeah. I just filmed an everyday makeup look on my main channel. So yeah. Uh-oh, they're not gonna stop? Try a new thing. Yeah, let's walk a new thing. I can't believe you came here all alone, baby girl. Wish you love her. Oh, it don't really matter. Girl, cause I don't want to let you go. Never.
Lights, camera, action.
I don't no words. No. Ow. Damn.
What the fuck is that?
My
Move.
shoe.
Oh, you ain't see my pictures?
Yeah, they were so cute.
Oh my god, I did it. I don't even know these people.
You childish. You don't?
No. They work at my job. You know, I work from home, most of us.
Oh.
So I was like, let me take one by
No, you look
myself.
so pretty in these pictures.
I know.
Those smiles look so fake though. Like it's hard. Like
Cause it was, I wanted to bust out laughing. It was real smiles.
it's really pretty.
This
though.
one was like, no.
Cheesing that nigga. Alright, so we made it to Rouse. It's kind of cold outside. I ain't got no earrings. And I'm charging my phone using my power bank. It's good. It only works for like newer phones. I remember I had a 4S and it did not work. It's even that cold, and I got this on. I got boots on and everything, and it's not even that cold. Cute girl.
I like this part of it.
Yeah, the little mesh part.
Yeah, this is very pretty, Nikki. You got really good. Wow, $40.
So we done picked out the same freaking
Exactly at the
dress.
same time.
I wanted these so bad. And they're on sale. $17.99, but they're $5.50. Yes, but not for freaking couponing this time, but for some stockings that she. Ow! I almost got hit by the door. This is me and Amy's first time at Ruby Tuesdays, so I don't know what to expect. Yeah, I've never been here.
I thought you said this is gonna be Amy's first time.
Yeah, we got a coupon though. Of course.
Of
Very
course.
nasty.
That's what we do. We coupon.